Huawei is going to introduce its new flagship phone with some better updates over the previous generation models. It has powerful specifications. What's up friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The smartphone got a chipset of Kirin 9100, which is the most powerful chipset. And to give more power to this handset, there will be an octa-core processor to make the device ultra fast. On the rear of the smartphone, there is a triple camera setup. The display screen size of the smartphone is 6.82 inches. The smartphone has a LTP OLED touchscreen display and well known for its outstanding results. And it will provide the user with Full HD Plus, the resolution of 1260 by 2720 pixels. The smartphone is using Huawei Kunlun glass. The internal storage capacity will be 256, 512 GB and 1 TB. The phone will be fueled with a non-removable 5000 mAh battery that will carry support for fast charging. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro is having an under-display optical fingerprint reader. That's all for now and thanks for watching.